Back with another classic. We got a 2003 Mercury Marauder. Obviously finished in black on black. So stay tuned. We'll take you all around her, get her on the rack, take her on the test drive. Let's get into it. Like I said, we got an 03 Marauder, black, low miles. So let's go ahead and get around her. I probably say the paint is about a 7. It will need a repaint eventually. You can see like all these kind of got water etching. You got a couple scratches here and there and some clear coat failing. As we move around the car, point some of it out. But like I said, other than that, like I said, the exterior is going to need some paint, but we're going to get into it. Body is in great shape. I didn't see any dents or anything that I needed to point out. No trim piece missing. None of the glass is broke or anything like that. No cracks. Windshield is solid all the way through. No rock chips to point out. Hood is decent. No big dents or anything. Rear quarter panel appears to be in good shape. Looking down there, she appears to be pretty straight. Rear windows in good shape. No cracks. No rock chips. Rear bumper doesn't have any cracks or anything like that. No signs of any accidents. Looking down the driver's side, again, she appears to be straight. No issues there. These are some of the areas I was talking about, just so you can kind of see. Again, not from like negligence or accidents or anything, just from sitting outside. Again, it's a 23-year-old car, so. Again, windshield is solid. No cracks, nothing to point out there. Do have a deeper scratch here. I want to point that out. But that was the only real scratch that I could find around the car. And like I said, there were no dents or anything like that. Front bumper and headlights are in good shape. Again, no cracks, no signs of any accidents or anything. Clean Carfax, of course. Go ahead. Get my hand under here. Clean engine bay, AC blows ice cold. Of course, you got your normal comforts, power steering, power brakes. Super clean underneath, all stock. Let's go ahead, check out underneath the trunk. The hood. Trunk. Trunk is nice and clean, no signs of any stains anywhere back here. Still got the spare tire that's never been used back there. Pretty good shape. You about to get something to eat? Nah, I'm good. Appreciate it. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Seats are in great condition. No rips, no tears, no wear patterns at all. Headliner solid. No stains, no soft spots. Carpet, something, I don't know what happened here. Carpet did come up here, so. Door panel solid condition, no scratches, no rips, no tears. Let's get over to the passenger side. Seats are in excellent condition, no wear patterns of any kind. Carpet good over here, and door panel solid. Passenger door panel good. Nothing ripped, no warping or anything. Dash is super clean, no cracks, no warping. Carpet looks good on the passenger side as well as the seat. Won't have any rips, any busting at the seams or anything. Let's go ahead and get to the driver's side. Good dash. Driver's seat is in good condition as well. no rips or tears or anything. Actually, we got a little tiny bit of a rip here. Looks like from rubbing up against where the hinges are, but very unnoticeable. Dash panel good. So we'll go ahead and get on the test. Go ahead, fire her up. Nice strong exhaust. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Lights are on, brights are on. Mileage reads 63,977. We're gonna leave them on automatic. Wipers work, horn works. Both windows, front and rear. All gauge is working. We have no lights on the gauge except for the seat belt. Let me go ahead and throw that on, make sure it turns off. And it did. AC on 75. AC is blowing ice cold. Let me see. I don't hear anything from the radio. Not hearing anything from the radio. We'll have to look into that just to see. I don't know why it's showing tape and it's on the radio, but we'll look into that. AC is blowing. All the gauges are on. I'll go ahead and turn this off. I've driven this car already, so I know it's super solid, but turn this out. Throttle response is immediate. Brakes feel nice and clean. These things definitely want to move. For this day and age, you know, anything around 300 horsepower is going to be more than enough to get you moving, especially in a big car. And these things love to eat up the mileage for sure. Brakes are solid, about what you expect. No issues here at all. Well modulated. Give it a little bit of throttle. So the all gauge is working. That sound, it was the window. It's because of the way I had it rolled up, rolled it down, it went away. Suspension feels good, not bouncing all over the road or anything like that. Hands off the steering wheel. She's tracking straight, alignment is good, and I do not have any play in the steering wheel at all. Steering is super tight, so that's a plus. This is a super solid car, definitely. I think with a paint job, everything is super A1 in here, honestly. And at the price, it leaves you plenty room. Let's see if this truck is possibly going where we're going. I love these cars. Like I said, they just super cool as an everyday driver. I know, you know, somewhat these are collectibles, so it's hard to make it an everyday driver, but 100% I would. Like, I just enjoy it. I'd put 100,000 miles on this with no questions at all, and then just do an engine swap, drop a 5.0 in here when it's time, because just having a big nice car like this, you know, we don't have too many of those nowadays, especially with power. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it back, get it on the rack, and we'll check out underneath, make sure everything's nice and clean. All right, got the Marauder up on the rack. Rear bumper again is in good condition, no cracks or anything. I can tell you right now, underneath is almost flawless. There's no coating to hide anything. Frame looks beautiful. Once we move up, the gas tank and the trunk pans look beautiful as well. No signs of any leak from the rear end, and it looks like we got upgraded shocks, but everything else appears to be stock. Floor pans and the frame itself, super solid all the way through. No soft spots, no rust. Just super clean. Still got the cats attached. No signs of leak from the oil or trans pan. We got disc brakes up in the front. Yeah, we got disc brakes in the rear as well. All stock suspension. And no signs of any leak from AC, power steering, or the radiator. Super clean underneath. Front bumper, again, no cracks or anything. Coming around the side, it's passenger side. You got Cooper tires all the way around. Tire depth is almost perfect. All 4 matching tires. Again, frame and underneath is immaculate. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, I got the cars mixed up. We don't have matching tires. We got Coopers here, and I think we got Falcons. Yeah, we got Falcons in the rear. Tire depth still amazing. Let me go ahead and check the other side. Falcons here as well. Again, frame nice and straight. And Coopers here. So we got Coopers in the front and Falcons in the rear. Super clean underneath. All right, if you're interested in this 03 Marauder, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on Instagram and the website. As always, we appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.